So welcome to the second day, guys. Now we are en route to the Vattakanal. To
Dolphin House.
Yeah, Dolphin House. So we have found one uncle who is familiar. He's a guide here. So we have rented a car. So he will be taking us to each and every point, whatever the peak points, wherever you can travel here, all these scenic places. He will be. It's for full day. And a trekking and a village tour. He will take.
Tour, yes,
Yeah. So
Park tour is only Coker Rock, Pine Bar, Killer Rock, Guna Cave, and the Dolphin House, Echo Rock, different rock, mountain.
okay. I'm sure most of you guys would know about Guna Cave because which was in Manjumal Boys. That was one of the famous movies which was released in Malayalam, and it was dubbed in Hindi also. And I know there are many friends of mine who have seen that movie in Hindi, dubbed Hindi. So let's go and let's explore these places. Yesterday night the temperature was around like 9 degree, and right now it's a pleasant morning. Matlab, it would be around like 18 or 19 degree maximum, with nice,
cold, along with a bit of sun.
Yeah, because there is sun which is available right now, so it feels so good. Okay,
This is 1 kilometer by walking. This
okay.
front gate is there on Coker
The
Rock.
Cocos
We will
Walk.
come out through this way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I guess the last time when we came on the trip, we did visit here, right? I guess I remember this. Do you remember when Kimber was there with us? Yeah, we may came here. For sure, we would have came here.
Only Hindustan liver, sir.
Hindustan liver. Okay.
Hindustan liver. This chemical cam is there only. 86 people only died, ma. The poison chemical there only. You see the board, Hindustan liver.
Okay.
Only lock it there only. But next month opening, ma.
Okay.
This only see the board, sir.
நீங்க க்ளோஸ் ஆனதா?
ஆமாம் இங்கே தான் ஃபுல்லாக ஒரு 86 people only died ஆகிட்டாங்கம்மா.
எப்படி
The chemical farm ஆகி பான்ஸ் கம்மி இந்த thermometer என்னம்மா
பாய்சனஸ் கேஸ்லின் அப்புறம்
ஆமாம்
அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்னைக்கு தான் இந்த வருஷம் தான் இது ஓபன் ஆகுதுல்ல?
இன்னும் ஓப்பன் ஆகல, ஒர்க்கிங் நடந்து எல்லாம் ஃபினிஷ். இது போல எலக்ட்ரிக்கல்
ஓகே ஓகே.
இப்போ தான் ரெடி ஆகிட்டு பண்ணிருக்காரு.
இது எந்த வருஷம் இந்த லீக் ஆனது?
91மா
91. So in 1991, there was some chemical leakage, because of which around 86 people lost their life.
This only last like church, sir.
Okay, this is a
52
church.
years old church, sir.
52 years old.
Yes, sir. August 14th only 14-15 only festival, sir.
Okay.
They're only ரொம்ப famous, sir.
Okay.
This only last like
Yeah, nice. Sunday 7:30 a.m. it starts. If you can see the house, the White House, those land, the house belongs to the actor, famous actor, Tamil actor Kamal Haasan.
11 acres, sir.
11 acre.
11 acres.
11 acres. Nice.
Ma elephant view, that only one place, ma. Kodaikanal everything nothing, ma.
Okay.
There is Coimbatore everything there only. Kodaikanal only one place elephant view. The Kodaikanal International School support Minister big officer is coming. The Tamil Nadu CM, this only Tamil Nadu CM guest house, sir. This Kota Tamra.
Okay.
This back gate. Front gate, பெரிய gate.
Okay.
Front is there only big gate.
He's the chief minister, right?
Yeah, 7-star hotel, sir.
Okay.
7-star hotel. 23,000, ma.
One day
23,000.
23,000.
Amalu Prem, this is the Vattakanal route. Yeah. I remember this route. No. I remember this route.
Yeah, you remember
ரொம்ப
that?
narrow route இல்ல?
Yeah, this is narrow route.
Yes, sir.
I remember this
Yes, ma.
route. This is where you then, after a certain point, you need to walk
Yes, sir.
down.
Yeah, one is only walk there.
Yeah. So, bhai, welcome to Vattakanal.
This is only one place, sir, in the TVS community estate, sir.
Mm-hmm.
The right side, This
Tea
is in the
estate.
Tea estate.
Okay.
The TVS company is there only.
Okay.
So we are going towards
The last time when we came, it was full foggy weather, Amalu Prem. Today,
Yeah, today
it's
nice
clear.
weather, sir.
It's a
Very
nice
clear.
weather. Yeah, it's a
Yeah,
clear
nice
weather.
weather.
So you can see everything this time.
Yeah, 5 days before full fog, sir.
Full fog.
Yeah,
okay.
not see anyone there only.
Yeah.
It's going peace up, food, everything, the return back, sir, only.
Okay.
Now only very clear, sir.
Yeah, because I remember when we
Yeah.
came, it was foggy day.
Yeah. Dolphin House to see in the Munnar Kerala border view
Mm-hmm.
and the Bodhi, Kumli
Okay.
viewpoint, sir.
Kumli viewpoint.
Yeah, just only 50 kilometer Ghat section,
Mm-hmm.
then only see the complete view. We going Dolphin House, sir. Dolphin House see complete viewpoint, sir.
Okay.
Full mountain. No, this is only the viewpoint, my line camp there only.
Oh, wow.
No.
Wow.
Look at that, man.
Look at the view, guys. It's beautiful. पीछे कोई हॉर्न बजा रहा है पता नहीं. Look at the guys.
இன்னும் அங்க இருந்து பார்த்தா கொடைக்கானல் ஃபுல்லா திரும்பி வந்தாரு போற மாதிரி தான் அந்த மவுண்டன் வியூன்றது.
का नाम है लाइन केव और ये है वटा कनाल है ना. हाँ यही है. हम लोग यहीं से उतरे थे. या आई एम श्योर. जब केम्बो और मॉम भी थी जब साथ में. सुस्ट छोटी सी ट्रैकिंग है बट पकड़ने की कोई जगह नहीं है तो देख के उतरते वक्त तो सही है. हाँ हाँ दिस इज जस्ट अ स्टार्टिंग बट द प्रॉब्लम इज व्हेन यू क्लाइंब अप ना बिकॉज आई रिमेम्बर दैट डे. Yeah, this is the same place. Yeah, sure. I'm sure. सोच है. वेट है भाई साहब. ये जो ट्रैकिंग है ये बहुत ही खतरनाक ट्रैकिंग है. नीचे जाना तो बहुत आसान है बट आप वापस आते हो ना तो हालत ख़राब हो जाती है. हालांकि नीचे तो बहुत नीचे आपको जाना पड़ता है बट इतना रिस्क मैंने और हम लोगों ने लिया नहीं. हम लोगों ने थोड़ा सा और नीचे गए जहाँ पे पहला व्यू पॉइंट आता है और उस व्यू पॉइंट से भी जो नज़ारा था ओए होए 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 क्या ही कहना. ये आप देखो ये जो नज़ारे हैं ना बहुत ही खूबसूरत नज़ारे. इनकी टेंशन के टेंशन कैरी.
This is the waterfalls in Vatakanal. You just need to come around down from there. You need to walk through all these routes. You can see a huge plants over here. Okay, it's a beautiful place. But the thing is, you just need to walk. You need to walk all through here down, and you can see this beautiful view. You can see here lots of people, photo shoot, video shoot, things going on over here. Passion fruit.
passion
This is
fruit.
nice. This is wild tomato.
A wild tomato, and it is seriously wild.
Yes.
I tasted
But
it.
this is really good, okay?
Yeah,
I
this
took
is
two.
good.
I took two. One is for 20, 40, 60,
40,
70.
okay. So you will find like these kind of small shops here near the waterfall. Look at this house. Okay.
Get down, man.
Look at the house, guys. कितना खूबसूरत है, बस जितना खूबसूरत ये हमें दिखता है ना, हम जैसे एक तरह से ये तो ट्रैकिंग हो जाता है हम लोगों के लिए, बट फॉर पीपल, फॉर देम इट्स नथिंग. बट हम एक बार चढ़ेंगे ऊपर, नीचे आएंगे तो दूसरी बार ऊपर चढ़ने से पहले 10 बार सोचेंगे. वाटरफॉल, आवाज़ आ रही है बस, पर दिख नहीं रहा. हाँ, दूर में पानी
I
तो
tell
दिख
you,
रहा है.
this is really nice.
Yeah, this
If you
is
get an
very nice.
accommodation here, right, with the waterfall,
Yeah.
you will enjoy.
Yeah, passion fruit.
Passion fruit, yeah. It's nice.
Mm.
Mixing it up so that it's easy to eat. Okay, yeah.
नाइस पैशन फ्रूट. इधर से जाके 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 वो नीचे जो अभी वाटरफॉल देखा था उधर बिग.
Dolak flower, okay?
Okay, this is
Different color.
what do you say? It's a
Dolak
flower. Okay.
Dolak. It's just down, okay? It won't stand up.
Yeah, it would
Just
stand up.
stand up. இல்லைம்மா ஸ்டாண்டப் ஆகாதுமா. பார்த்தேன் அப்படியே காலே தான் இருக்கும். நான் பார்த்தேன். பூ இருக்குது பார்த்தீங்களா, பிரிஞ்சு இருக்குல்ல, இது அப்படியே வந்து அப்படியே விரிஞ்சு பாருங்க, அது ஒயிட்டில் இருக்கும், இது இந்த கலரில் இருக்கும். நான் வாகமன்லேருந்து வரும்போது இது பார்த்தேன்.
Here, luxury stay.
This is urban luxury stay.
Yeah,
nice.
luxury stay. It's nice. And this is near to the waterfalls.
Vatakanal water.
Yeah. These are the like villages in Kodaikanal.
There is a wax museum here. Have a look.
Yeah, there is a wax museum. Horror house and games. The one thing which Amlu fear is only ghost.
Nothing else.
She doesn't fear anything else. अब लगता है मुझे घोस्ट बन के इसको डराना पड़ेगा, तभी ये मेरे अंडर कंट्रोल आएगी, नहीं तो ये मेरे को डराती रहती है. सीरियसली वो सामने स्कूल है, सेंट पीटर्स स्कूल.
Yeah, this one name Sam Bab, sir. This Malayali,
हाँ,
Sam Bab.
ओके.
St. Peter's School, St. Peter's.
सेंट पीटर्स स्कूल.
International. Hey, it's an international school, yeah.
It's
It's a
international school.
Cambridge school. I think I can come over
There
here.
is a wild honey hunters. If you want to hunt honey,
St. Peter's.
you can hunt honey. This is the village Pambarpuram
No
waterfalls.
raining, always little water, sir. Much water.
They हम लोग प्रेम दोंडे waterfalls.
Wait. कौन सर है?
वाह, ഇവിടെ एक छोटा सा वाटरफॉल.
Waterfall.
हाँ,
तुमको मुझे डराना है?
क्योंकि तुम ना डरता नहीं है, तुम्हें ज्यादा ही हाँ,
लगता है.
तुम्हें सिर्फ घोस्ट से डर लगता है. ये है सेंट पीटर्स इंटरनेशनल स्कूल, और यहाँ पे अगेन छोटे छोटे शॉप्स, स्पाइसेस की दुकान, छोटा सा रेस्टोरेंट, चॉकलेट्स.
Especially white and dark.
या ये एक छोटू सा वाटरफॉल. हाँ,
our building ಇದು.
This is the only one resort which have a green apple there.
This complete in the cottage type, ma.
Okay.
This 2 bedroom, 1 hall, 1 kitchen, everything there only. This complete R and Hilltop owner, Nada Road. Per day only.
Per day 3,000 only. Wow, yeah, that is nice.
This is on the cottage type.
Okay.
The right side, ma. Right side the cottage type. This is
Okay.
expensive, ma, only 5,000 rupees.
Okay. It's better, you know, you should come here, search and then take, because you know online the prices for even a small hotel, they will charge, you know, for a per day 4,000 to 5,000 and you get nothing.
Coming, staying there.
Mani Ratnam ka,
Ratnam's resort is over here.
Okay, I'll show
whenever the
you.
shooting happens, people can come and live here.
that's the one on Tip Hill.
The cake,
This place used to know as Suicide Point. Even I remember back in 2016 when we came, the name was Suicide Point, but now they have changed the name to
This is here, sir.
which one?
This one is, first way Palataku. This green hill, old name Suicide Point, sir.
Green Valley.
Green Valley they have kept now.
Sir, this is only the golf course, sir. Kodaikanal the golf, sir.
Okay, this
Straight
is
on
the
the
golf
golf.
course.
Yes,
Okay.
This is only the green valley and the yellow board, sir. Green valley.
यहाँ पे बच्चों के लिए ना यार बहुत कुछ है यहाँ पे, और बड़ों के लिए भी कड़े वगैरह हैं.
Hey, try this. Try this. Either try it.
This is 100 rupees. This will ये नहीं जाएगा. I don't think.
Green Valley, right?
Yeah.
This.
For 150 rupees.
Okay. அதில் போட்டு கொடுத்தப்போ.
They don't have a carry bag.
Yeah, plastic இல்லைனா.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, இதுவா? நான் போட்டுக்கிறேன். ஷூ தான் அது. அதனால தான் ஓல்டு ஷூ அது.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cash எடுத்து. இந்த கையை Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay.
Selfie stick கூட கொண்டு வந்திருக்கேன். This is nice, bro.
இதுக்கு எவ்வளவு இந்த பேட்மேன்
பேட்மேன் அண்ட் இது ஜோக்கர் ரெண்டுமே சேர்ந்து இருக்கு அதான் 7000.
ஓ 7000 அதுக்கு மெஸ்ஸி இந்தியா
ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട് അമലപുരം. You remember this was the color which I wore for the first time when we came in Kodai. This was the color, yeah.
எவ்வளவு இதுக்கு
350, nice.
அல்ல ചെറുதா
Ice cream, huh?
ಅದೇ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್ ಇದೆ
Oreo.
Oreo
60 rupees, 80 rupees. எல்லாம் mix பண்ணி
இதுக்கெல்லாம்
கொடுத்தாங்க.
அல்ல அது என்ன ஃப்ளேவர்
Oreo.
ஓரியோ அந்த ஓரியோ பிஸ்கட்டோடதா
இது 250, இது ஸ்டாண்ட் 50, இது ஆஃப் அண்ட் ரைட் 50, ஆன் ரைட் 50. ஏன் டிஃபரெண்டா ட்ரை பண்ணலாம்.
Green is Amalappuram? Pistachio, okay.
எவ்வளோ
60 rupees.
I mean, like, you know, fried one, okay? So when you blow this, right, the air comes in and from there it catches fire. So this is 60
ये जो भुट्टा है, ये जो आप कोयला में जो भूनते हो, that is 60 rupees.
and boiled one is
The
50.
boiled one is 50
and
and
that is
the
30.
yeah 30 rupees for the मूंगफलियाँ. But ये मूंगफलियाँ भी boiled है. Yeah.
Not that fried
It's a
one.
steamed one basically. In North India,
You get the fried
get
one.
the fried one, yeah.
Even we get the fried one, but here this is common.
So they normally fry in, sand.
Same like Kerala.
Ah.
Okay.
How is it? Nice?
I don't
What happened?
I thought
Ah.
when I tried
Leaving the
this,
cameraman behind.
when I tried this long back, it was hard, but this is soft. Okay,
Ah,
really nice.
okay.
Good that we bought only one.
Okay.
This is boiled come fried.
Okay.
I like that.
Nice. I would also like to have a try.
Hold on.
Okay.
Out. Nice, na? It's spicy. Boiled one, right?
Boiled one, yeah.
Okay. So we are saying bye-bye to the suicide point, which is the Green Valley. Okay, currently which is known as Green Valley. Let me just... Yeah, Green Valley view. Lots of monkeys was there in the previous time, okay? This time I couldn't see much.
So ये जो सामने देख रहे हो, that is the golf course here in Kodaikanal.
Total 500 acres, sir.
500.
This 50 acres only electrical.
Okay.
50 acres complete electrical, sir.
Okay.
Next month matching, sir.
Ah, match is there.
Yes, sir. Next month.
Okay.
This only now only the torn Honda, sir.
Okay.
This is now only torn Honda. This only people members only matching.
Okay, nice.
50 acres there only. This is no electrical, sir. Last week I told you, last week full electrical, sir.
Okay.
On the right side. That is for season. This is only the golf.
Ah, that's the golf course.
Right, sir.
Back. Back. Correct. I got it. Till here, the golf course.
Yeah, this is only the working people, sir. The golf working
Okay.
people.
They are the employees who are, working here.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ से start होता है golf course
Ma,
का.
here only one far check post, ma.
Okay.
Only 60 rupees entered this, ma.
6 rupees.
60.
60 rupees.
Yeah, one person only 30 rupees, ma.
Okay, so we need to pay
But
60
namme
rupees.
kodukkanuma?
Nammal kodukkanam, okay.
In all of places, ma. This only.
So यहाँ आप forest में enter करते हो
this
तो
is-
you need to pay 30 rupees each person. Yeah,
Yeah,
per
this,
person.
sir, Green Value,
Mm-hmm.
and the Pillar Rock, and the Guna Cave, and the.
वही अगला destination है Pillar Rock.
I thought it's going to be cold, okay? Very hot.
Yeah, we thought it would be cold, but क्योंकि धूप जो है अपने पूरे चरण पे है, तो जैकेट पहनोगे तो गर्मी लग रही है. तो मैंने
मना
भी बाइक
बिल्कुल
अपनी
लगना
जैकेट
है.
उतार दिया.
Report claim, rental report, bike. Bike nikida.
നമുക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഇറങ്ങാം നമ്മൾ.
Okay, sir.
നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഇറങ്ങാം. So this is the entry point.
Navyama is not here, Radha.
ചളിഞ്ഞ മൂക്കല്ല
Ana. So these are the pillar rocks.
लास्ट टाइम when we came it was
Yeah, जब लास्ट टाइम आए थे तो यहाँ पूरा फॉगी था. ब्यूटीफुल वेदर था भाई साहब. वीकेंड है ना, सैटरडे है, तो भाई साहब देखो कितनी भीड़ है यहाँ पे. अच्छा भाई अंदर वहाँ पे पार्क भी है उधर. ഏ
ഫോറസ്റ്റ് റീജിയനിൽ
അങ്ങോട്ട് ഒത്തിരി നടക്കണം പിന്നെ.
ഇനി ആനേനെ മാത്രം എടുത്തേ ആളെ ഇല്ലാണ്ട്. ആ കറക്റ്റ്.
भाई हेल्दी बर्गर्स देखे कभी? These are healthy burgers, healthy sandwiches.
ഞാൻ എടുക്കുവാണേ.
गोली सोडा.
കൊടൈക്കനാലിലെ സെക്കൻഡ്
गोली सोडा. Coming. These are 50, 60. The healthy burgers and sandwiches.
മറ്റേ
This is cauliflower, right?
എவ்வளോ ഇതൊക്കെ
50 rupees.
50 രൂപ
നോക്കണം ഇനി.
നോക്ക്.
If you want cauliflowers bhajia, but
Those are half fried.
yeah, those are half fried.
When you buy, they will full fry, cook it and give you.
Yeah.
ആവല പോട്ടുക. ആവല కొంచెం കൂടെ വേണം.
My next destination है गुना केव, the Devil's Kitchen, the famous place जो मंजुमल बॉयज में दिखाया था. And we are nearby to Guna Caves.
നോക്കിക്കേ ഒരങ്ങനെ ഇരിക്കുന്നു ഗുണ കേവിന്റെ നടുക്ക്, ബാറ്റിന്റെ നടുക്ക് നിൽക്കുന്നതാണോ? ആ they have divided it into two sets, which is an entry on one side and exit on another side. Okay, so we are going into Guna Cave. I don't think it is an easy thing for us to walk. That you have seen these yellow restricted areas. See over there is a point over there.
Okay.
And I don't know if it's visible or not, but hopefully we will reach there.
There is no ticket, I guess, right?
No, we gave 60 rupees in the entrance for all the three places together.
Okay. 60 रुपए जो लिए थे वो इसी के लिए थे.
One person 30%, 30 rupees, and two thing it's 60. We are not sure how much we will walk, but I will make sure that he walks with me. Okay? Are you ready? Are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay, let's see. By the way, this is the crowd here on a weekend. I don't think we will climb there.
No, I will not climb.
This is the
Entrance of the Guna
Guna
Cave.
Cave. Since we could see a step over here, we thought of climbing up to see that. Okay? But the best part is, all these are routes, okay? You could reach here. Hello. Bah. That's a view. Wanna say something? We didn't expect it's going to be crowded like this.
Crowded, yeah. But then yes, it's a weekend, Saturday, so yeah.
Good.
I mean,
Good vibe. All these are routes that you can see here.
but where is the entrance? I mean,
Maybe on the top.
नहीं I guess उधर से कहीं से होगा मेरे ख्याल से ऊपर
Okay.
यहाँ entrance block है.
Okay. Of course, they will not risk by opening those stuff, right? They will completely close those area. But in that movie, this is the area where. This is the area where you can see those boys run, okay, to take help.
Yeah, and they didn't leave their friend. That is the real friendship.
It's like nobody. That I'm not sure, but I mean, like whoever fell into that Guna cave have never came alive. Okay, so when that guy fell from there, even the police, everything said clearly that you can leave because it's not possible to save that. But yeah, friends, they just stood together and took him alive. That's
So
something.
those जिन्होंने ये मूवी नहीं देखी है, स्पेशली अगर नॉर्थ में अगर मंजूमल बॉयज नहीं देखी है, तो ज़रूर देखना ये मूवी.
And in that, there is a old Kamal Hassan movie song is there. That's something,
And this movie is already dubbed in Hindi also. So Jio Hotstar पे पड़ी है. हाँ, Jio Hotstar पे है शायद.
But that's an amazing movie, okay? That really need to be watched. Being covered for safety precautions, okay? So that nobody will fall even accidentally. It's been completely covered. As a safety measures, it's completely throughout. Wherever they have seen a hole, they have completely closed every single thing of it. Look into this. Throughout. From here, there are few steps upward. Hopefully, we will climb and reach there. Ajwa Shogun is climbing, okay? I'll give you a good shot. Tell me, dear Dosoga, this is the where you can see have a viewpoint without these. I mean, like what to say? Without all these nets, you can see from there. Okay, now tell me, Dosoga, after visiting Guna Cave, what do you have to say?
Nothing. I felt like it's a normal jungle, but since the entrance, I mean, they don't allow to the real caves.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a normal, like if you visit to the pine forest, right? It's almost like similar.
But the best part is, everywhere it's roots. Here, the whole place, the ground is with roots. That's the best part of it.
Good evening, Augusta. Do you know, Blue? After watching this pine forest, the first thing which comes to my mind is Raz movie.
Oh, okay.
ये शहर है अमन का, यहाँ पे शांति शांति है. हैं? What is this?
This is what we hang it in Christmas tree, right? Pine. This is the seed of pine, okay?
Okay.
This tree.
यहाँ पे सब शांति शांति है. भाई लोगों, सबसे पहला दिमाग में आया राज मूवी. उसमें कुछ ऐसी जगह है ना, ऐसी ही जगह है कुछ. This is the upper
Lake view.
lake view, huh?
That's the lake which we walked this year.
कल उसी तरफ. Okay. Yesterday that side we were walking, huh? That's the Carlton Hotel, the Ritz Carlton, right? The 5-star. भाई डिफरेंस देखो कल और आज की भीड़. आज वीकेंड है तो वीकेंड की भीड़ देखो, और कल सिंस इट वाज अ वीकडे, कल बिल्कुल खाली था इस टाइम पे, और आज ये भरा हुआ है पूरा. This there छोले भटूरे. Look out the छोले. This is the proper अमृतसरी पंजाबी छोले जो होते हैं बिल्कुल ब्लैक कलर में, और ये आगे भटूरा और साथ में भाई प्याज, नींबू. Here is the achar. So how crispy is this?
It's really nice.
Real nice, na? This is what which we miss in Dubai, basically. तो अभी मेरी बारी ट्राई करने की. ये रहे गर्मा गर्म भटूरे, और इसमें ये किया छोले, थोड़ा सा प्याज.
और छोले दूं?
नहीं, ये बहुत है.
He really got a young brother here.
And he's serving like, that is what, service. When you are into a restaurant business, this is how you need to learn. How to keep your customer happy. No attitude, zero attitude. Because I've seen many, these restaurants, owners who carry attitudes. You were saying something.
Can you see this? This.
This the paneer tikka salad.
No, I never had this in my whole life. Okay.
That is chatpata, right? Tasty.
Sour, sweet. Wow. I love this.
Highly recommendable. I will not say restaurant. It's a small cafeteria. A small
Whoever
shop.
comes here, right, and sit here patiently.
Patiently, yeah, you need to be patient enough because they are only 2 or 3 people. That's a family, and since there is a limited space, and if you are coming on weekends, you need to wait. You should have patience enough to wait.
Then
If
I'm
you-
telling you,
you will enjoy.
have your best North Indian food. Okay.
Yeah, you
I
will have.
tried in so many different places, but this is unbeatable.
Yeah, unbeatable. Absolutely. Especially in South India, it is unbeatable. अरे तुम्हारी नहीं ले रहा वीडियो सिप सिप
इन्होंने आग मारी है.
सर कीजिए सर, मैं आपकी बनाता हूँ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ದೇರ್. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಪೊಯ್ ಪೊಯ್ छोड़ो.
गिर गया.
क्या गिर गया? Lemon. You all are not there.
Actually, I'll just show you my mobile.
The trip that we started at around 9 a.m. in the morning, and now it's going to be 4. We are just leaving back down to the town, back to the hotel.
Trekking is over.
Yeah, trekking and everything is over. There was one more point that we didn't go. Yeah, the park tour and everything is over. People, those who really wanted to spend more time over here, of course they can. Okay, since we cannot hold up for a long time, we stopped here. Okay, so we'll see you up in the next video, which is the Kodaikanal Lake, lower lake full view.